Hello there people, this is Christian. Welcome back to my computer and Fusion 360 and this little cubey thing or extruded square. This is a thing that can sometimes fool you in the beginning. There are a couple of preferences. I have turned most of them off because I don't like them. We are talking about auto projections, and just simply showing them. I have auto projection turned on now. So we create a sketch on this top face. You can see it already is down here. So we create it here and we do a circle, simple circle. Let's do it 80 and we'll finish our sketch, and we're going to do an extrude, and we click here and suddenly we have a square profile here. Obviously it's the top face of the little earlier extrusion, but where does this come from? Because I can select them both and do a small extrude, hit OK and hide basically joins and hide the body. You can see that there's a small, you can see if I move mouse in, you can see it highlights the edges. There is a projector profile, can be a bit hard to see in sketches and can be confusing, so I recommend turn off this feature. So let's have a look. I'm going to delete these two last steps because I will do them with the preference turned off. You can see the difference. Preferences, icon top right, click preferences, wait for Fusion, under general and under design, halfway down here you have auto project geometry on active sketch plane. It was turned on now. Gonna turn it off, hit OK, do the same thing in. We're gonna create a sketch on this top face. We do a circle. Once again, we're gonna do it 80 millimeters. We're gonna finish sketch and we will do an extrude, and now we have one single profile. We have no auto projection of the square profile, so we can simply do it like this. And of course we can go back to the sketch. If we need the projection, simply hit P on the keyboard, select the face, click OK. You can say I'm gonna hide the body. We get these nice purple lines of the projected edges, and then of course we can use that to do some other extrude, like we want to extrude that up, something like that, and do a join, or what I'm going to do. So the thing I turned off here was auto project geometry to sketch plane, because that can be really confusing. I recommend to have it turned off. That was all. Take care, see you around, and goodbye.